Hi Monita. Good morning. How are you?
Morning, I'm good. Thanks for asking.
Yes. By the way, Monita, what are you reading?
I'm reading a book about bekantan.
Cool. It's a monkey with a long nose, right?
Yes, and bekantan is quite big. Its weight is about 6 up to 22 kilograms, and its height is around 55 to 76 centimeters.
Wow. And Monita, we can find bekantan in Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei Darussalam, right?
Yes, but we can find them mostly on the Indonesian side.
Really?
Yes, that is why bekantans are used as the icon of Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan. See this fact. Bekantans are grouped as arboreal animals.
Arboreal animals? What is it?
Animals that eat, sleep, and play in trees. They like spending most of their time in trees.
Wow. Thanks a lot for your information, Monita. Today I've learned a lot about bekantan.